Hi guys, welcome back from my channel. This is Mykonos day 2. So I hope you will watch it and enjoy. Today's plan is going to Mykonos town in the early morning and having a drone shots, a couple of drone shots. Then we're going to the beach. We're going to the one famous beach in Mykonos is the Super Paradise. At the moment, it's less people. This is our hotel at the moment. This is Flascos. That's the pool area, which is overlooking the bay. And the room was very gorgeous, guys. Sorry I didn't get the footage for the room. That's Little Venice, guys. This is my drone shot of Little Venice, and I'm gonna swing on the right, and then so you can see the 6 windmills of Mykonos. This is Super Paradise, guys. When it's open, it's very busy. A lot of party around it. So we have having fun with my missus. By the way, guys, this is not the Paradise Beach anymore. We moved to Oronos Beach. There's one beach nearby. I like the crystal clear water.
Better than what you call it? It's better than Brightwood. Freezes.
Yeah, he swims in London. Kapal naman dyan ka. Ha? Pero parang di tayo. Kuan ba? Di tayo paginaw, no? Okay.
I was rarely bored, so I was trying to feed the fishes. So you can see a lot of fish around. So I'm trying to feed it with biscuits. This is my friend Ernesto, enjoying the water. So we're going back to Mykonos town and look for Katie's bracelet. So while we're on the way there, we managed to find this view of Mykonos town on the road, and we have a couple of pictures. The view was breathtaking. Which hotspot? Straight.
Oh, you have it now.
Then when you and left, then and right, then left, and then left, and then go straight ahead.
There can look. At least you have photo, Kendrick.
Gorgeous there.
Hi guys, where are we going?
Looking for looking for Katie's Pandora.
Is it?
Yeah. I just don't know.
Right.
Or left.
Right at the end. Then left.
And then
Me, I'm looking for my no fridge magnet.
Right.
Kuya,
Right.
or you're lost. You have battery?
Some has low the battery, but it's still cold.
Ah.
You can take one call.
By the way, guys, we managed to find this shop. This shop is not that expensive. They have cheap goods, wines, and all that. Dito punta ka makaon siguro niya.
Yes.
Where is it?
Here.
Geros. Okay.
Geros.
Unya ba? Tapos mo palit na dahil dito mainom na. Kuan.
I want this movie to do.
Murano.
Eh, Murano. Borano. Borano.
Very expensive here.
You wanna know what else is Murano? This tea.
They said collaboration. Collaboration.
This is fine.
By the way, guys, Murano is one of the places that we went, and Burano as well. Murano is famous for glass blowing. I have a video of Murano. Please see our Venice videos on a previous trip in Italy.
So this gold cake and the rest is white. This is also red. And here we have it also rose. Yes.
Rose gold.
It's lucky here.
Oh, that's the one story. Every corner, I think they have it.
He's like, hey, we're lucky. There's one.
No,
right.
we're going to eat on that one then.
Where that?
Yeah, later on.
I thought you wanted like any type of lucky. This one's the same. It's like the same. Lucky.
Yeah. So we're in High Street right now. We're looking for Kitty's Pandora.
This one is more expensive than the other one.
Oh. Hold on, let me check the menu.
So some shops are closed at this time because it's late in the season. They open mostly in the summer season, and then during the summer season it's very busy, and then we're in the late season, so it's not much people around in the high street of Mykonos. So we have the high street on ourselves. While I'm walking around, I just looking around, minding my own business. I managed to bump on the sign. Oh no, not the sign. It's the stairs. That sign. I love Mykonos. My wife was looking for it, and she was very happy. She was happy that we found it, because she really wanted to have a take photo in there. Come on, let's go. Is it heavy?
Nope, I'm just switching around because my hands will usually get tired, so I have to switch up one to my left to my right.
I see. So we're trying to find Kitty's Pandoro's shop. So he managed to bump in on one, and then Katie's picking her good luck charm for her souvenir on Mykonos. So guys, this is the last day of our trip in Mykonos. So tomorrow we're going to Athens. So watch out for that videos. It's coming out soon. Please like and subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to share it if you like it, and leave a comment as well to support this channel so I know what's in your mind. So thanks very much. Have a great day. Good luck. See you soon. Bye.